We are bringing for you a 5-star rated digital marketing course that will cover every aspect of digital marketing. I am Omkar from IIM Calcutta, trained students in digital marketing in IIT Kharagpur, for Montpellier University and many other institutes and in industry. I am a million times viewed Quora writer and will teach you digital marketing from very basic to the advanced stages that you expect from this course. We'll cover domain hosting, website creation, content creation, basic HTML based website, how you can use the WordPress to create a blog, an e-commerce store, analyze and discover keywords using Google and many other tools, search engine optimization from basic to advanced, Google ranking factor. Will segment each and every ranking factor and understand how and why you are not optimizing and what you can do. Black Hat SEO with a secret tool like Scrapebox. I'll cover more of that. Content marketing in detail. We'll understand what you can do in content marketing. Quora marketing, I'll teach you the secret to have million times viewed account for yourself or for your business. Email marketing, Google business listing optimization, paid marketing using Google AdWords, Google Analytics integration, and what are the usages you can have with Google Analytics. Video editing, will cover Filmora and many other free video editing tools from where you can get free stock of images, free stock of video, how you can use free content marketing tools for YouTube marketing, image editing for digital marketing, social media marketing. Will cover from A to Z of social media marketing, Hootsuite and many other tools. Facebook marketing, will run a campaign, see what happens in Facebook. Twitter marketing, will cover the advertisement marketing as well. Pinterest marketing, will cover ad section of the Pinterest marketing. LinkedIn marketing, will cover the content and ad, both the sections. Freelancing, how you can be a successful freelancer. Udemy marketing, if you have a course, what are the things you should do to optimize your course and increase more sales. Affiliate marketing, more than 200 lessons we will cover to teach you digital marketing from very basic to advanced, and I hope to get one more expert digital marketer by the time the course ends. We are creating these video modules to train you on digital marketing. The many aspects of digital marketing, starting from search optimization, social optimization to paid advertisement. We will touch upon every aspect of digital marketing, including the website creation, how you can create your website without knowing any programming or having any coding skill, how you can run a business online, how you can promote your offline business, how you can market your business on your own capacity, how you can understand and interpret the work different digital marketing or search engine optimization companies are doing for your company, how you can understand where your company stands, how you can understand where your business stands in comparison to the presence or business of your nearest competitor. How do you know who is your nearest competitor? How do you know who is your biggest competitor? And what are the techniques and strategies you should know and implement in your business to go ahead of them? These are different things we will study and understand in our coming lectures on different aspects of digital marketing. Digital marketing is nothing but a part or a wing of marketing. Marketing as a huge subject runs the industry, helps many businesses and also generates a huge amount of employment. Due to the growth of digitization, digital devices, internet and mobile or PC, digital aspect of marketing has come up. You only learn the digital devices, you only learn the digital equipments, you only learn the digital footprints of marketing. The basic differentiator with the digital marketing and marketing is the analysis, is a predictive part. Here in marketing, when you invest any amount of money on any subject or any marketing instrument, you don't have a way to understand or analyze each and every move of that. But in digital marketing, you can analyze even a single click far more easily than the normal marketing process helps. Digital marketing builds the branding far more easily than the normal marketing would have done for you. Digital marketing also helps you to compete bigger companies. It helps you to build brand far more easily than the normal marketing process helps. Digital marketing builds the branding far more easily than the normal marketing would have done for you. Here you don't need that many manpower to run all your marketing campaigns, reach out to the people and execute a sale. Digital marketing processes can be automated using our latest techniques and latest marketing instruments. In digital marketing, we can automate a marketing process, bring sale and generate far better revenue for a company. While working as a digital marketer for last 1 decade, I have seen many companies come and go. I have seen smaller companies become bigger companies, and my experience while working with small ventures have yielded great result for them. I have seen companies who repair only air conditioners have spent more than 2 lakh rupees in their AdWords account, other than the amount of money they spend with all other search or social media. With the growth of social media, many new businesses have come up. You can see there are app-based businesses these days which only run inside Facebook. There are app-based businesses also which run inside only Google Play Store or Android or iPhone. Many companies, many gaming companies have come up who offer you options to buy their digital currency inside their game. These are the new changes that we can see in digital marketing. We can also understand the change or shift of the industry towards digitization due to its effectiveness, including the reason it can build a better brand. It can provide you a process where people cannot cheat you. As an owner of a company, whether you are a millionaire or a startup company, you have all instruments open to you for a use. Whether in marketing, you don't have all the instruments open for you. Whether you are a small company, maybe if you are a big company, you can use that. But for a small company, you cannot do it. But in digital marketing, certainly you can do it. Leaving alone few small things, you can almost use 70 to 80% things that are available in digital marketing. And that helps businesses grow, that helps businesses stand out, that helps bring good revenue and generate job or more bigger industrial effect of digital marketing. As the digitization is growing, we can see digital marketing jobs are also increasingly in demand. Companies are looking for people who are capable of building strategies to win over their competitors and get more orders or clients as the major aim of any business. So, summarizing the whole digital marketing that we've been talking right now, I can tell you it's a culmination or it's an umbrella term under which search engine optimization, social media marketing, pay-per-click advertisement, affiliate marketing, all these things come, including the content marketing, as content is the most richest component to take you to your competitor. We will learn from a million times viewed Quora writer how you can take your business to millions of people with very least effort in our coming lectures. Thank you.